Justin's hair, and I'll be adding a small trial size of my product. You see already I'm starting on his hair, and his hair has grown so long in the process. And I have added, you see some of the product to his scalp. Just rub it in a little bit. I like adding that when I'm putting his dreads, redoing them. In his hair, I add some of that to his scalp so it won't be real dry. But his hair and his ponytail is real long, as you can see. I just want to give y'all a good look at it. Alright, before I finish it. But you can see that the product you can add to boys' hair when I put it on the website. You can add it to boys or men's hair that dreads, and it's supposed to grow their hair. And his hair has grown a lot since I've been redoing it. Alright, and hopefully I'll be putting it on the website the next couple of weeks, so check back at justcrownher.com. Amen, and you'll be able to see the new products and the new hair products that added. Alright, bye-bye.